PMA, Philippine Military Academy, is one of Baguio tourist spot. PMA is located at Loacan, Fort Gregorio del Pilar, Baguio City, Philippines. Philippine Military Academy or Academia Militar de Filipinas is the Philippine Military School of Armed Forces of the Philippines. It is a training school for future officers of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. And it was established on December 21, 1936 by the virtue of Commonwealth Act No. 1 or the National Defense Act. The motto of PMA is courage, integrity, and loyalty. PMA have also their little fantastic museum. And inside the museum, you will find their various uniforms, different weapons, and the proper room of a cadets. And various war histories, like the history about the Battle of Bulacan, in which at May 31, 1898, at Bulacan town, in the midnight at the said day, were the Katipuneros led by Colonel Gregorio del Pilar launched a surprise attack to the Spaniards that last of days, and on the 11th day of fighting, the captain of the Spanish forces raised their white flag and surrendered to the Katipuneros. During our visit at Philippine Military Academy on one sunny Sunday morning, we are very lucky to saw the drills of the cadets with their different moves of dance and the way of holding arms, and of course their amazing the same footsteps. And through their silent drill, here you will find the discipline of every cadet and learn to fight no matter how hard being a cadet. And on the outside, you can see many scenes and past wars based on the various or different war vehicles and airborne used during the war like the helicopters and different types of tanks. The tanks are used during World War II in the different nations. So that's all about PMA. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. God bless.